This is AD Jane, Cooking with Adora. This is another session of cooking. As you all know, I love cooking. So today we're going to barbecue. We're going to barbecue some chicken wings, we're going to barbecue some drumsticks, and we're going to barbecue some ribs. And I'm going to show you how I season my barbecue, my meat. I'm going to show you how I season the meat before I barbecue them. So, first, well, you're of course going to have your salt. And I like to use seasoned salt because it gives it really good taste, gives your meat really good taste. If you like garlic, you can also sprinkle garlic salt, okay? Just making sure not to add too much salt. I have powdered onion, and I like to use that too. It gives it really good onion taste. Now I have curry powder. This is optional. You can use curry powder too, and I do use this. So I mix it a little bit, and I add thyme. So one thing is you have to season your meat really good, or else you will not get the full taste of that meat. I have this barbecue rub. You can actually put it on your meat before you throw them on your grill, or you can do them right when it's done. You can sprinkle it on it and heat it up a little bit more. But I like to mix it when I'm mixing the whole the other seasonings. Of course, this is red pepper. You can add pepper in your meat, or you can make something on the side that somebody that likes pepper can use. And this is also lemon pepper. This one, I love this one, guys. This is good. Lemon pepper, when you mix it with your meat, it's really good. Now this one here is your barbecue sauce. You can use honey barbecue, you can use smoky. Man, there are so many flavors that you can use, but I like the honey barbecue one. And I always mix this when my meat is done. I don't mix it before I throw my meat on the grill. Okay, and well, this is just something that I'm gonna grill after I grill my meat. This is corn, and this can go really well with your barbecue. Okay, so let's get ready. We're going to wash the meat. Always wash your meat, because you don't trust whatever preservatives they used to preserve the meat. Okay guys, so now we're going to season the meat. First I go with the regular salt. Just a little bit of regular salt is fine, and you can use your hand to mix your meat to make sure that you get the salt all the way to those at the bottom. Okay, so usually I don't like to put too much regular salt, so I can make room for my seasoned salt. And you can actually do just the seasoned salt, it really don't matter, but that's how I've done it. So now I'm gonna put seasoned salt, and you mix it. You can use gloves if you want, but usually I use my hand. Okay with me. Now you can add more. Make sure it's well saturated. This is not gonna get it too salty. It's saturated with seasoning, So I think that's good enough. Now I can add a little bit of garlic salt. This will give it a taste of garlic. Okay, so give it a good taste of garlic. So now you mix it. I mix them one after the other. When I add something, I mix it because I don't want to have it clump up somewhere. So this is your curry powder. You can add a little bit of curry, just a little bit of your curry, just to give it a taste. And you can add your this is your thyme. You can add thyme. Okay, now you can mix it. I'm telling you, this is gonna be good. You know, there's so many ways you can season your meat when you're grilling. So this is a particular one that I like, and it's really good. I season my meat different ways, and I've really loved them. So now I'm gonna add onion powder. Okay, add the onion powder, and like I said, you can add some of this while you're actually grilling to make sure it gets real good to the bottom. And then I can add the lemon pepper. Okay? Lemon pepper, just to give it a tint of pepperish taste. Okay, with the taste of lemon, it's really good. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this. So this is it has pepper on it. Then you can add your barbecue oil. So this will give it a real good taste. Okay, so now we can season it some more. When I get it on the grill, then we should be good to go. So, but look at it here at the bottom, you still have some that is not fully mixed. So I'm gonna season it when I get to the grill to give it a good, see your color, see that? Okay, you see, you can add more if you want. So now you've seasoned your meat. So next thing is season your the ribs. Okay, this is pork ribs, and you add your seasoned salt. Okay, you can also add your regular salt. And then you can add your garlic salt. Just enough to get it saturated and not get it too salty, okay? And this is your lemon pepper. I add the lemon pepper. And I also add onions. I love onions on my meat, okay? So when you're done with one side, you can actually turn it over and season the other side too, just repeating the same thing. Okay, so we mix it up, making it a touch everywhere. So these two are ready to go to the grill. Okay, now let's head out to the grill. Okay, so this is the grill. I already prepared the heat, so now it's ready to go. So now I'm gonna add the racks to the grill and start adding the meat on top of the rack. So you have to make sure you're turning the meat on the grill, or else you're gonna have it, it's gonna burn. So you have to turn it. See this? So I just turned everything, and you can see the bottom. It's heating up. So you have to make sure you're turning it. And if this heat gets too much, I'm gonna cover the grill so it can cook. Yes, you have to keep turning your meat so it doesn't burn. I don't want to see that. Yeah, but that's still not too bad. So you have to turn it, or else it's gonna burn. See that? This one is almost. Yeah. So that's you have to stand next to it and keep turning. can find yourself a little bit of wine and just keep sipping while you're turning your grill, your meat. So I'm just gonna give it time to cook, and stay out here and so this is the corn, and I just put the corn on the grill. Okay, I'm gonna give it time to cook and it to be ready. So, yep, see that? There you go. This is the corn. It's gonna stop popping, but I'm not gonna let it have so much heat, and it should be ready to go. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it with barbecue sauce, honey barbecue sauce, and you can choose any flavor you like, but I like the honey barbecue one. So I spray this all over it, and I mix it up. Okay, you can use your hand to mix it up, or you can use something to mix it up, or you can just shake it up like this. Okay, just shake it up and mix it up. Okay.
With the barbecue sauce.
Hey, hey. Oh my God, guys, look at this. This is this is beautiful. Now you can enjoy your barbecue with a good taste of wine. This is so good. This is so good. Good. Join me next time, Cooking with Adora. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.